Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to summarize a PDF using Claude AI. So this is a really useful technique to be familiar with if you work with a lot of PDFs and want to break information down really quickly in a way that saves you time. So for example, you have a contract for a certain company and you want to get through and you want to focus on the important things that you should pay attention to in the contract. This is one great way of doing it. So how I'm going to do this is I'm just going to click on these.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
On this plus button right here. Then I'm going to click on add files or photos. You should be able to navigate to the file that you would like to summarize and just open it up in your browser. You can also alternatively just drag and drop it into this window and it should upload the same way. So now that that's uploaded, I can start writing our prompt. I'm just going to give it something simple like summarize this PDF into its. Of course, you can always tailor this prompt to fit your needs. You can add or subtract certain things. It's really up to you and what you need to get done. So now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and hit on send. And within a few seconds, we should have our summary of the PDF file. So here we go. Here's a summary of the independent contractor agreement, etc., etc. And as you can see, it has done a pretty good job of keeping things concise and short. So this long contract that was a few pages long has been summarized into a list that is only one, maybe 1.5 pages long. So being able to summarize PDFs is a great thing to be familiar with because it lets you save on a lot of time, as I've mentioned before, especially if you work with a lot of things of this nature. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.